Tim Furlong, Deputy Chief, Huntingdon Regional Fire and Rescue, here in the final inspection of our 2022 E1 HR100 aerial. Yeah, we serve an area of about 10,000 suburban and rural mixed community, everything from farms to a college, 9-story high-rise buildings and everything in between. We did go with the quint concept here. Primary purpose, we do use it as a truck, but with our volunteer status and limited manpower, have used it as an engine. You'll see some of the features here. We got a 3 crosslays and a front bumper line. Another feature that we liked with E1 here, we got ability to turn on our pump lights, scene lighting, and turn on or off our emergency warning, all from the pump panel, so the operator does not need to get back in the cab. Lots of storage and different options here, and we chose to go with barn doors for our high side compartmentation. As you can see, very deep. We're going to go with custom tool mounting for Fireline equipment. One of the things that we did like with E1 was the A-frame jacks. Allow us to basically, if we can open up the cab doors, we're going to be able to fully set up and deploy our aerial. Also went with the laser jack spotter for our outrigger pads. Going to allow us ease in proper deployment of the pads. We chose to make this 24-inch wide stairway. E1 was very accommodating, worked with us, allowed us to customize the body. Felt that for firefighter safety, allows our operators better footing and grip to access the turntable. One of the new features that we have is the advanced aerial controls from E1. That will give us cab avoidance, also show us different angles, tip loads, all kind of unique functions, including gallons per minute flowed and stuff for calculating the fires. For ground ladder complements, we primarily are a truck company with this setup, so we did go with some ground ladders here. That we have two 28-foot extension ladders, a 35-foot extension ladder, a 20-foot roof ladder, along with a 10-foot folding attic ladder. Unique feature we went with was a 8-foot ground ladder for a lot of these single-story residences with an offset that'll allow us access to windows, along with a 16-foot roof ladder. All of our roof ladders have dual-side hooks, so they can be deployed any direction. Along with that, there is a 10-foot folding ladder and a 16-foot roof ladder on the tip as well. Another feature on our side stacker, we elected to move it over. We'll have 500 feet of 5-inch, but that allowed us to gain compartmentation here on the officer's side. Another feature we were able to get from E1 here for our high side compartment on the officer's side, for looking ahead for roof saws and that, was our compartment will have side access and access from the top. This will allow, for safety, firefighters will no longer have to carry saws up the turntable. Overall, our experience working with E1 was an excellent experience. Everyone was very helpful, gave us many suggestions and ideas along the way. Look forward to working with them again in the future. Our department was very excited here to see the truck for the first time. This is actually going to be the first new aerial for our department in over 50 years. So we are very excited to put this truck into service. It'll be a very useful asset for our community for many years to come.